इनकी भाई हालत है हमारा इनका सेम हालत है और इनके एम्बुलेंस ना आई जाता और कुछ भी होएगा देखा जिम्मेदारी होती।
A pregnant woman from Sindhi, Madhya Pradesh, forced to go online begging for something as basic as a road to reach the hospital. This isn't just her cry, but that of many women like her who have been pleading for over a year. Now, in her final trimester, she turns to Nitin Gadkari, Minister of Road, Transport and Highways, for help. And what's the BJP's response? उठवा लेंगे।
डिलीवरी का ETD होता है, एक्सपेक्टेड डेट होती है, उसके हम एक हफ्ते पहले उठवा लेंगे। As if she's not a human being but some parcel to be picked up and delivered. This isn't just insensitivity, it's inhuman. डिलीवरी का ETD होता है, एक्सपेक्टेड डेट होती है, उसके हम एक हफ्ते पहले उठवा लेंगे।
But honestly, do you expect better from the BJP? In Khadi Khurd village, there are no paved roads. Women in labor are carried through mud and ditches to reach health centers. This woman hoped her pregnancy would finally move the government to act. But all she got were punchlines, not pavements. Such is the BJP's mindset, where women matter only in speeches and slogans, forgotten the moment the election ends.